Okay, so on this particular sketch, what I want to do is to make it perfectly symmetrical. So rather than drawing out the whole thing, I've decided to just draw half of it, and I'm going to use the mirror tool, which is going to basically copy it and flip it over to the other side so that it's accurate. It is perfectly symmetrical. It's going to save me a lot of time in trying to draw out all of these intricate parts again. It will be very time consuming for me to try and draw that again over here and make sure it's all lined up on the exact same size. So I've drawn out this half, so when I'm happy with it, I'm going to go to sketch and I'm going to go down to where it says mirror. It comes up with this little option block. Now I'm going to press objects and press select, and basically I select the lines. You can see it counts them up. It can be quite time consuming that. What I could do if I wanted to is just come out to the side, drag a box around it. You can see it's selected everything, so it's gone from those two to 48 lines that are in this area. It just makes life a bit easier. Once I've got all those selected, and then click on where it says mirror line, click on there. It's going to ask me what I want my mirror line to be. So if I click on this line that I drew here, you see what it's done. If I just pan it across, is it has copied that, that's the mirror line, and it's flipped it over here. Okay, now if I just delete that, if I click on that line for example, I can't because it's part of the object, so it will have to be this one. There we go, so press OK. When you're happy with it, you see what it's done, is it's copied it over, it's shaded in, it's exactly how I need it. Now that central line that I drew in before, I don't need that anymore, so I can trim that off, and now that should be one whole shape. I'm going to stop the sketch, and it's perfect symmetrical, and I can do with it as I want. Okay, so it might be that you've already done all your push pulling and you've already made it into a 3D shape, but you still need to mirror it. And you can still do that. You don't have to do it in sketch mode. You can do it whilst it's at this point. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can see I've got a 3D object here. It is all ready to go, and I'm going to mirror it in the same point as I did on the sketch. Now it's really essential that if you have when you were sketching, you need to make sure you've got one of your construction planes where you want it to mirror. If you haven't, as you can see I have, what you do is you click on that face and I create a new offset plane just 0 millimeters away from there, and I press OK, so there'd be a new plane there for me to mirror onto. Okay, I didn't have to because I already had the plane there, but that's how you do it if you don't. So that's where it's going to mirror. I'm going to go to where it says create, and I'm going to go to mirror there. And it's going to ask me what pattern type I want. Do I want the faces, bodies, features? If I click on bodies, it's going to ask me to select a body. So I click on body 1, and that's the whole body. It might be that I don't want the whole body to be mirrored. I might just want a particular face. So if I click at faces, you can see it just selects that. If I then click on another face, it will just do those two. But for this I want the whole thing, so I click bodies and body 1. Now it's going to ask me what mirror plane I want, so I press on that, and that's where that construction plane comes in. Click on there, you can see what it's done is it's just simulated it for me. That's what it's going to look like. If I'm happy with it, I press OK, and it's mirrored the whole body. Now you'll notice it will do it as 2 separate bodies rather than as part of the same one. So if you want it to be part of the same one, all I do is I click on body 1, I go up to modify and combine. It's going to ask me which, so the target body is already selected, which is great. I'm going to click on tool bodies, press select, and then I want to click on a new body there, body 2. Those two selected, yes they're joining, press OK, and now it's combined them. There's one body there, and that shape has been mirrored.